there. So this is a really fun template to use, and it's called a brain dump template. And essentially what it is a place for you to get all of the thoughts out, all out on paper. And the way I've designed this sheet is to take this from just jotting your thoughts out to being able to organize your thoughts into tasks and goals. So we've got 5 tabs here on the bottom. This is available in Google Sheets and Excel. And so I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm in Google Sheets right now. Here is going to be the tab, is the instructions tab. This is going to have the link to the YouTube video once I'm done. And then this here is just what I'm calling the brain dump journal. So here on the very left is a place for you to simply write whatever is on your mind. So let's just delete all of this on the top. So if we just want to just go and write, I'm out of pet food again, and then I forgot to make that appointment for the doctor. Oh, and there is soccer on Friday. And we are out of milk. Okay, so these are just thoughts that are in my brain. I'm just writing them down. So you can scroll down as many thoughts as you have. Just write it all down here in your journal. Just boom, 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 anything that's in your mind. So then the next step is to write down, okay, we're going to take that and then we're going to go, what do I need to do? What do I need to buy? What do I need to schedule? Or who do I have to talk to from this? So let's just delete all of this and then let's just make sense of it. So then what do I need to do? I need to go to the store. I need to make an appointment, make a doctor's appointment. I need to put soccer on the schedule and buy soccer snacks. And then, I need to go to the store because we're out of milk. Okay, so what do I need to buy? So I need to buy pet food, I need to buy milk, and I need to buy soccer snacks. What do I need to schedule? Doctor's appointment. I need to schedule did that, and then I need to put soccer on schedule, and then I need to talk to the doctor. Okay, so I just turned my brain dump journal into things that we can do and schedule and whatever. And then here's the next part is this is the place where we're actually going to organize all of our thoughts that were on the first page. So we're going to highlight these and we're going to hit the delete key and we're just going to start from scratch. So let's go to the 925. The category, this is going to be health, and this is going to doctor's appointment. Need to make doctor's appointment. And then actions, we're going to make the appointment, get the scan, and then goal date, we're going to make sure that we get this done by, next week. Priority, this is pretty high. So we can choose between low, medium, high, or urgent. And then status, I haven't started this yet. And then time to complete, we've got 2 weeks. And then next thing was 210. Let's say this was personal. And then we are out of milk. We're going to actions, we're going to go to the store. Goal date, we need to get this done by the 13th. Priority, medium. Status is pending, and then time to complete 3 days. So that's just essentially. Now you could do all sorts of things. Like if you're wanting to, make this about work, we could definitely, talk about work, and we could say, hey, let's see, today's date. And then we could say, wanting to make more sales. So say I'm a salesperson, I want to make more sales. What actions are we going to do to make those sales? We are going to call 20 people daily. We're going to do 5 social media posts daily and write a blog daily. All right, goal date. We're going to start trying to do this. We're going to try to be a little bit more consistent about it, but say that we're going to give ourselves to the 20th and say that this is going to be a high priority. This is in progress. And then we're going to try to get this done in 1.5 weeks. Okay. So that's kind of what you can do if it's work. So, and then to-do list, we can go to the to-do list, and then we're going to say, what's our high priorities? Sorry. We're going to say we need to go to the store. Due date is the 10th. We check this off if it's complete, and then that sort of thing. So we're just highlighting this, and then putting in whatever's important. Same thing with goals tracker. So say if we wanted to talk about, goals for working, our goals is 20, contact 20 people daily, make 20 calls, email 10 people. We're going to set up newsletter. We're going to do 5 Facebook posts weekly. Okay, so those are some goals, and then as you get them done, you can check them off. Now, when you get this, it's going to be blank here for you, so I'm not going to make you go through all this. And then it'll just have one example at the top for you. And then, so if you're in Excel, the only difference then, if you're in Excel, is you won't have checkboxes. And I have to explain this to everybody, but my Excel version doesn't have checkboxes. But what you could do is in your Excel, if yours is complete, you can just put the X, and that'll work just fine. And then we can just change this. And then every time you put the X, it'll be in here. So that'll work just fine. So so essentially it'll work the same. So that is how this sheet works. I'll make sure that all of this is emptied out for you so that you can just come in here and do your thing. Now, another thing that you could do is, if you didn't like any of my categories for any of these, if you're in Google Sheets, you're just going to go and use the edit button, and then you could just add another item, and then you could come in here and change the color. To whatever works for you, and then hit done, and then apply to all, yes. And so then it's going to add the other two to that for you. That's how that works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. And I hope this helps you. I hope this is a helpful sort of way to get out your thoughts and turn it into actions and goals. So, all right, y'all have a great day, and I will see you next time.